Hello guys, welcome to Kodkara, and today we are looking for patterns X. We are looking for the variety of X patterns. Once we use star, and another one we use numbers, and also you see the introducing a ternary operation. I can give you a brief explanation first, and then I show you how it's work. In that ternary operation was like same as in the if case statement. When if write a if else statement, there was is if you see the if else statement, if you want to write if and that condition and brace open, then write the code. And first we here see if the condition true, this code was run. Else the condition was false and this code was executed. So this situation was if if else statement works. In the same scenario works on ternary operation, but we can write in a single line. Same as the if condition, we here a condition. If that's true, after question mark, this if we write here a code, if the statement was right, the work on here's code, and another statement was right here, the code run and condition is false. So this was the brief idea of ternary operation. Now we can write how to write in practical. So we move on the same X pattern, and I show you how guys we can use the ternary operation how in codes. Okay, first we want to print the first X pattern, star X pattern. Okay, so that was in I J So we all know how a rectangle print or a square print. If the in this case statement with the row give 10. So here give print is down. So that shows a triangle. Yeah, that was we can clearly see a triangle how to print. There is no confusion anymore. Okay, now we here applying a statement, if else statement, so we can print the X shape. So we need X on here, and others want to print space. So if we here give a if else statement, so the condition was when j is equal to I. When the j pattern works on j when 1, the I same as 1. In that condition, we need to print that. So, or in inverted triangle, we use the row minus I. So, or operator and j is equal to row minus I. So we can see what going to print here. Else need to print space, right? Yeah. So see, we can print the X pattern using the if else statement. This works on same as the ternary operation. I can show you guys. So we here, if we give here a statement, same as I show the syntax. So the statement was ABCDEFY or J is equal to row minus I, right? So the syntax was the question mark, and if the statement was true, work on printf, we need to print the star right here, right? Then double dot. In this case we need to write the else case. If the condition was false, we need to run this code. So we can write here, we need to print the space here, right? So you can see same X pattern we can print using the ternary operation. We use the ternary operation because of we write the if case, we use 4 to 5 lines, so that comes to one line when we use the ternary operation. So this was the easiest method for print a X pattern. So we all know here we need to print a rectangle, then we use the if else statement. So the ternary operation, the condition was true, we need to print star, or the condition was false, we need to print the space. So this was the first pattern. And the second pattern we need to, so first we can print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, that in that operation. After I can teach you that how the when the number in the middle it was reversed. So first we can here we put a J to print. So what happened? Yeah, that. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In his case 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. That was first pattern. So we need in the middle. After that we want to reverse that. So here 4 3 2 1. That was. So we here we give a new variable. It's called num. Okay, we use the same ternary operation here. The I greater than or equal to row by, right? When the statement was right, print I, or if the statement was wrong, we need to print row minus I. So here we need to print the new variable num. So you can see, yeah, that was. In this case we see that the row is 10. So is this statement 1 2 3 4 5 That was in that case the statement was true, so it's execute I, and after the I value going to 6 or 7 or 8, this statement was going to be false, so this was executed. That was here running. So this was a ternary operation, how it works. So we can reduce the time complexity, and what else, if we can easy to understand. If you write like this, it's a reviewer or anything, someone else to see, you become a like pro coder. So everyone use this operation to reduce the time for your coding. And that's all today. We can discuss something else tomorrow. Thank you.